Hello everyone! In this video we're going to be solving this trigonometric exercise. Here we are given that sine of the angle x equals a. We need to find cosine of the angle 4x in terms of a. Here, since we have angle x but we need to find 4x, it means we need to use the double angle identity. Here we have the double angle identities for cosine. And as you see here, we have cosine of 2x, but here we have 4x, which means we have to apply the double angle identity twice. Once to move from x to 2x, then from 2x to 4x. So now, first we will use this double angle identity here, that cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x, since we have sine here. So which is now 1 minus, here we can replace sine x by a, so we will have 2a squared. So now 2a squared. So this is the value here for cosine 2x. But now we need to use the double angle identity again. Here, to clarify these identities more, the double angle identity does not work only if you have 2x here. Here it's called the double angle identity, which means whatever angle you have here, then here you have double of that angle. So for example, if here, let's say you have 3x, 2 cosine squared 3x, here it will be double of 3x, which is 6x, which is the same here, also 3x. So this is how the double angle identity works. Whatever you have here, here it will be double. So for example, if you have here 5x, then here it will be 10x. But this 2 remains as it is 2 always. It's not related to this 2. So in our case, here we need it to be 4x, and here then half of 4x will be 2x. So now here we will apply this. Cosine of the angle 4x equals 2 cosine squared of 2x minus 1. So now, here then, instead of cosine 2x, we will replace what we got above, which is here 1 minus 2a squared. So now I will rewrite it like this, 2, this power of 2 is this one here. Then we have minus 1. Now, we will expand this bracket 1 minus 2a squared depending on this formula here. So it will be, first we keep the 2 as it is here, and then when we expand this it will be now. So first we square the first one, a squared, so here we square the 1, it will be 1, then minus, as you see here, 2 multiplied by the first one a by the second one b. So here 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2a squared. So it will be 4a squared. Plus now, as you see here, we have b squared. So it will be this second one squared. If we square this, it will be 4a to the power of 4, and then we have minus 1. Now we will expand here. First, I will multiply the 2 by this term here, 4a power of 4, that has the highest power of a. You will have 8a power of 4. Then, when we multiply 2 by negative 4a squared, we have negative 8a power of 2. And then we have 2 times 1, which is 2. Minus this one will be 1. So this is the final answer to this question. If sine x equals a, then cosine 4x will be equal to this in terms of a.